Think about how many times a day you throw away newspapers or plastic bottles. Now think about how many times a day everybody else does that too. That is our problem in today's society. People are not disposing of items in the correct way. Throwing items away in a garbage can and not recycling is just like taking garbage and throwing it on the floor of your house. It just continues to build up. According to Princeton University, there are 8 reasons why you should recycle. Number 1. Recycling saves trees. Half of the Earth's forests are gone, and up to 95% of the original forests have been cut down. 2. Recycling protects wildlife habitat and biodiversity. Using recycled materials reduces the need to extract natural resources such as timber, crude petroleum, and mineral ores. 3. Recycling reduces the use of toxic chemicals. Making products from already refined waste materials reduces the need for manufacturers to use toxic chemicals. 4. Recycling helps curb global warming. Recycling 1 ton of glass results in energy savings more than 300% and lowers carbon dioxide. 5. Recycling reduces water pollution. Turning trees into paper is the most water-intensive industrial process in the United States. Paper recycling mills nearly always use less water and they don't pollute the water nearly as much. 6. Recycling reduces the need for landfills. Toxic pollution from landfills escapes into the air and leaches into groundwater. 7. Recycling reduces the need for incinerators. Municipal waste incinerators spew out all sorts of air pollutants and are often located in neighborhoods. And finally, number 8, recycling creates jobs and promotes economic development. The Texas Natural Resources Conservation Commission found that recycling added about $18.5 billion in value to the economies of 12 southern states and in Puerto Rico in 1995. Few know that recycling waste products conserves water, energy, trees, and helps reduce pollution from our drinking water. An even more important reason to recycle is because it reduces pollution attacks in our society. It will be able to do this by keeping the waste out of landfills, like earlier stated. Finally, recycling lowers environmental damage caused by logging, mining, as well as methods that facilitate the proliferation of raw materials. Recycling prevents the emissions of greenhouse gases and water pollutants, and the most appealing part of all of this is how many jobs it can create.